Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome back to our kitchen. We're doing a lot of errands today. We got to go run to Walmart because I want to get my tree done. I'm going to make a fall ribbon tree, and I also wanted to get some baking done. There is a cookie recipe that my sister-in-law gave me. It makes the cookies so soft, and I want to share that with you. My boo thing's in the shower right now. As soon as he's out, we're heading out the door. All right, we're back from Walmart, and I scored my lights. And now I'm going to put those on my tree.
Like, you had the purple ones for Halloween or the orange ones.
Right, just layer it on top.
And layer it on top.
No, I like it. It's nice and bright. I did, however, think about those warm lights, though. I was like, ooh, I don't know. But I like these better. But once I get all the ribbons on there, it's going to look beautiful. So I got the lights on. I might start adding ribbon to it tonight. I really haven't decided yet. Because what time is it? It's almost 7 o'clock. It's almost 7 o'clock. And we still haven't made dinner yet. Hello, friends. Today is the next day, and I'm going to get this tree done. But before I start putting the ribbons on the tree, we are hosting Thanksgiving, so I want all the fall things up, and I am not putting Christmas up until after Thanksgiving. It's just a rule in our house. And I do want to take a quick moment to thank all the veterans who fought fiercely for our country. Thank you. I'm going to start with a triple. All right, so this is where I'm at so far, but I am going to take a break from adding the ribbons because I want to make some cookies. All right, so the back of this says 1 cup of unsalted butter. I've been waiting for these to get room temperature. 1/2 cup of sugar, but I'm going to go with 1/4 cup because I'm going to swap out the sugar for this Jello packet. This is what makes them so soft. And 2 eggs, vanilla, salt, and baking soda. Oh, and packed brown sugar. 1/2 cup. Got the oven preheated. It says here on the back of the package 375. Can you tell I don't use this very often? This was a gift from my mother. She didn't want it anymore. She used to bake a lot. But this thing is heavy. I keep it underneath the in the cabinet on the other side of our oven there. I'll show you. Anyway, it's heavy. All right, that's pretty well combined.
Doing a double header.
Nice. Would you mind putting some parchment on my cookie sheet?
Parchment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please. Yeah. Oven's ready.
Your oven's ready.
That's pretty even. All right, it's gonna go in the oven. While that's baking, I'm gonna clean up everything. They're done. While they're still warm, I'm gonna transfer them to the rack for cooling down. That's a good cookie. I hope you try this.
Good. Those won't stand a chance.
Okay, friends, I was just going to show you some fall decorations I have put up in preparation for Thanksgiving. Here's my fall tree I worked on all day. This is our coffee table. So this is the fall tree, and I was just asking if I should move it to that corner of the living room, and he had a very good point. This is where we're going to put the live tree. So I'm going to leave my tree right where it's at. We did end up going down to the river around 4 o'clock because we wanted to see the Falcon 9 launch take off, and we did do a live on that. Anyway, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.